The proposal. We're headed for the finish line. If we followed our sales process step by step, we're fine-tuning the proposal that our sponsor will be approving and forwarding to their procurement department or placing an order with limited procurement involvement. We have a recipe which is making it easy to buy. If this is our first business with this customer, how we propose our product or service may make a difference to how easy or difficult it is to process the order. Deciding how to propose our offering for the first order. We have the option to propose it as a one-time service with a set of deliverables on completion, software as a service, a license, or as a purchase. The scope of each of these options may trigger additional oversight by departments within our customer's organization. As an example, a SaaS may require review of our company's service level agreement terms or business continuity, security of data, etc., where a one-time service does not require that level of scrutiny. Our customer may have a budget assigned for one type of purchase in this period, but not another. Only our customer knows which is easier for them to process on this first order. So, we can either discuss with them their options or propose 2 or more options to buy from which they can choose. Our customer will choose the option that is easiest for them to purchase, requiring less of their time and is the fastest way to get started. Our objective is to start doing business with our customers. Once they're our customers, it is much easier to engage additional groups as the risk of doing business with us has already been addressed. ProTip. If this engagement is part of a C-level initiative where multiple vendors are invited to participate and the result is the start of a company-wide deployment, we need to know if the C-level person has a relationship with one of the vendors participating. If we're the company that has the C-level sponsorship, then we can propose our solution as the first of many deployments and not be as concerned with the scrutiny and time required to qualify us as a vendor. If one of our competitors has the C-level sponsorship, we may be being used to negotiate a better price with the vendor that has already been selected before the process begins. In most cases, the C-level initiatives are wired from the start. There's a favorite that will need to lose the competition to not be selected. Find out as early as possible and adjust accordingly. Checklist proposal. Does the proposal match with how the customer would like to initially start doing business with us? Is there more than one option that the customer would like to evaluate on our initial order, services, licenses, or consulting? Our next step is we're into procurement.